Are you following keto and doing everything right, but still worried about losing muscle as you age? Let's talk about something most people completely overlook: creatine. Creatine isn't just for bodybuilders. It's fuel for your muscles, your brain, and even your heart. Your body makes a little, but not nearly enough, especially as you get older. And here's the truth. After age 40, we naturally start losing muscle mass. That decline can lead to slower metabolism, fatigue, weaker bones, insulin resistance, poor sleep, and even brain fog. That's where creatine plus HMB changes the game. Creatine gives your muscles the energy to work harder, recover faster, and maintain strength. And HMB helps slow muscle breakdown while accelerating recovery. When taken together, research shows you can increase strength by 10 to 15% in less than 4 weeks. We're talking about better endurance, more stamina, improved recovery, sharper thinking, better hydration, stronger aging. And the best part? It's clean. Just 5 grams of creatine monohydrate and 3 grams of HMB. No fillers, no junk, nothing unnecessary. If you're serious about preserving muscle, protecting your metabolism, and aging with strength, this isn't optional. Your future self will thank you. Check out Stu's link in the comments for details.